Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to be talking about criteria-based sharing rules and how to create one. To set this up, let's consider Annie's Alpacas, an alpaca ranch that sells fine alpaca wool. They've set the org-wide setting for cases to private, but this can create a problem. What if a customer support case needs to be escalated to someone in sales? Could the salesperson view the case? Well, no. Not unless Annie's amazing Salesforce admin has set up the right criteria-based sharing rules. Today we will be talking about sharing rules, what they are and how to create them. If you have org-wide sharing defaults set to private, you can extend access back to selected users with sharing rules. Sharing rules can be used based on the values of fields in the record or by who owns the record. You can also use sharing rules to extend access back to users in public groups or in roles. But remember, with role hierarchies, sharing rules can never be stricter than your org-wide default settings. A sharing rule consists of 3 parts: which records, which users, and what kind of access. So let's go create a new sharing rule so you can see how all of this comes together. We will start off on the setup page. Up in the top left corner in the quick find search box, we're going to type in sharing settings. Select sharing settings from the menu that appears below, and this brings you to the sharing settings page, where we will scroll down to find the case sharing rules. Click on the new button and the case sharing rule page will open. Let's give it a name, sharing for escalated cases. Let's set the rule type to based on criteria, select the field escalated, change the operator to equals, set the value to true. Let's now share these records with the sales operations team. And then we're going to set the access to read/write. Then click on Save and click on OK. You will receive an email once this rule is set up and ready to go. And now you can scroll back down to the case sharing rule and see your new rule. So let's recap. When the organization-wide default is set to private, one of the ways you can give access to a record is with sharing rules. You can share an escalated case with the sales team by creating a sharing rule. First, define the criteria. Then, assign the users or roles who can see it. And last, assign what level of access they have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.